Okay, now to the second question. We are asked to find the diameter. Okay, we are asked to find the diameter of a circle with an area of 154 centimeter squared. Now, in this question, the information given is area. Okay, we are given the value of the area of the circle. Okay, so we are going to write out the information first. So the information says area of, okay, that is the area is 154 centimeter squared. So we write the information area of circle equals to 154 centimeter squared. Okay, in this question we are not looking for area of a circle. Okay, we are looking for diameter. All right, now after writing the information, which is area of a circle equals 154 centimeters squared, the next thing is to write the formula for area of a circle. Okay, now instead of writing area of circle, instead of writing this area of circle now, we are going to replace area of circle with pi r squared. Okay, because pi r squared stands for area of circle. You get it? So we said this implies pi r squared equals to 154 centimeters squared. Okay, pi r squared also is area of a circle. Okay, now we are looking for diameter, right? But in this formula there is no diameter there, we only have the radius. Okay, so pi r squared equals to 154 centimeters squared. Now what follows is substitution. We are going to substitute. Okay, what is pi? Pi is 22/7. What is r? We don't know. We are looking for r. We don't know the value of r. Whatever you don't know, you leave it like that. Okay, we don't know what r stands for. We don't know the value of r, so you write r. Okay, r squared. Now the next thing is you make your r squared stand alone. Okay, how do we do that? I told you that to do that you move the 22/7. Okay, what you simply do is take this 22/7, take it away from where r is, take it away from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side of the equation. You take it to the right side. Okay, now when you take this is times r. The sign here is also times. Okay, that's times 22/7. When times 22/7 comes here, it becomes divided by 22/7. Okay, divided by 22/7. Now our r is standing alone now. Okay, times r squared. Okay, now times r squared is the same thing as r squared. Okay, I've told you when there is no sign in front of a number, is either multiplication or addition. So this times r squared is the same thing as r squared. Okay, times 4 is the same thing as 4. Okay, times 100 is the same as 100. All right, now what follows, we are going to change the division sign. I told you in the first question that you change division. When you change division to multiplication, you will invert. When you are to divide fraction, change the division sign, okay, to multiplication sign. Okay, so divided by 22/7 will become times 7/22. Okay, you invert it. I told you the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. All right, now after doing that, you divide. You check for what could be divided. Okay, 2 will divide 22. 2 will also divide 154. Okay, 2 will divide 22 to give you 11. Okay, 2 will divide 154 to give you 77. 2 in 15 is 7, remainder 1. Put 4 behind the 1, we'll say remainder 1. Okay, remainder 1. Put 4 behind the 1, that is 14. 2 in 14 gives you 7. So that is why that gives us 77. Okay, now we are left with 11 and 77. 11 will divide 77. Okay, 11 in 11, 1. 11 in 77 will be 7. Okay, 11 in 77 is 7. Okay, now we are through with the division. We are left with 7. We are left with 7 and 7. Okay, as the numerator. So 7 times 7 gives you 49. Okay, 49 centimeter squared. Okay, over 1. So it's the same thing as 49. 49 over 1 is the same thing as 49. Now this r squared now. We are looking for r. Okay, for us to find the diameter, we find r first. Okay, we use this formula to find r. So our squared here, we take the squared away from r. When you take squared away to the right hand side, it becomes square root. Okay, the opposite of squared is square root. Okay, get it? The opposite of addition is subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. The opposite of squared is square root. The opposite of cubed is cube root, and so on. Okay, so our squared comes here to become square root. Okay, now what's the square root of 49? 7 centimeters. Okay, 7 centimeters. So square root of centimeter squared is centimeter. Okay, that's why there is no squared here again. Okay, square root of centimeter squared is centimeters. Now our radius is 7 centimeters. So what's going to be the diameter? We said that diameter is twice the radius. Okay, is 2 times radius. So it means that our diameter is going to be 14 centimeters. Okay, there is no space to write that. Okay, so our diameter is 14 centimeters. Get it? All right, so that's it. So expect questions similar to this. Okay, and get them done and submitted. All right, see you later. Bye.